Here we have as x approaches 0, 1 minus cosine x over sine x. If we substitute 0 for x, both the numerator and denominator will be equal to 0, right? So we're going to have to transform this expression right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 1 plus cosine x, 1 plus cosine x. So that is equal to limit as x approaches 0. The numerator will be equal to 1 minus cosine square, which is equal to sine square x, because sine square plus cosine square is equal to 1, right? So this limit is equal to sine square x, and we have a sine times 1 plus cosine, right? Now we can cancel out one of the sine x's in numerator, one in denominator. Then this is equal to limit as x approaches 0, sine x over 1 plus cosine x, right? Now what we can do is we can substitute 0 for x, right? Then that's going to be equal to sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0, right? 1 plus cosine 0, that's 1. So 0 over 2, that is equal to 0, right? If the numerator is equal to 0, whole thing is equal to 0.